Hi guys, Adam from iClimate. Could we be looking at the oldest building in England to have been air conditioned? Well, join me in this special project, 16th century barn, which we installed air conditioning. Let's go inside and I'll talk you through how we did it. Air conditioning is a modern amenity that has become increasingly popular in contemporary architectural homes. At iClimate, we specialise in providing such technology to preserve the historical integrity of places like this Grade 2 listed barn. It's far from straightforward and poses a set of unique challenges itself, making it for a very special iClimate project. We've been tested into exploring the delicate balance between modern demands and heritage preservation. Buildings such as this have a historical importance, and one must acknowledge their historical significance, being a Grade 2 listed barn before considering any structural modifications. Integrating air conditioning can sometimes be seen as potentially compromising the authenticity and character of certain structures. Thankfully, due to our intricate pre-planning, this air conditioning installation did not require any structural alteration. We did this by utilising the large loft spaces to conceal the indoor fan coil units where allowable, and key airflow calculations at design stage, ensuring minimal diameter to discrete grills with whisper quiet operation. For further discretion, we adopted a centralised VRF system, meaning the exterior condenser, which serves all 8 spaces inside, can be sited at a convenient location. Inside, we are serving 2 guest bedrooms within the new wing, master bed, ensuite, dressing room with ensuite, ground floor study, the annex study, the garden room, and not forgetting the gym. The AC system we have opted is a Fujitsu refrigerant-based heat pump variant. It provides heating up to 30 degrees C and cooling down to 18 degrees C, providing ultimate comfort levels throughout the year in this amazing English heritage dwelling. Ventilation, noise, and visual impact, these are all crucial aspects we considered as a part of our remit here. We had to strike a harmonious balance between functionality and minimal intrusion, employing creative design solutions on site. Engaging with local experts and adhering to the conservation guidelines, we designed this energy efficient system that minimises environmental harm by the use of the latest compliant refrigerants. Air conditioning this Grade 2 listed barn was surely a delicate process that demanded a thoughtful and balanced approach from our initial on-site meeting to the implementation by the installation team. We are grateful to be a part of preserving English heritage buildings like this, transforming them into habitable dwellings for the future. Many thanks for watching, and thank you for our clients for entrusting iClimate in this special project.